Hey guys, it's me, Reka B, and thanks for rolling me. I know I haven't been posting in a long time, but I still have a question. Is you rolling? Hey, is you rolling? Hey, subscribe please. Subscribe please. We gonna eat up. We gonna drink up. We gonna chop it up, cause we geeked up. And so I'm at home right now, and I have a lot of great food. Okay. So that's why I just wanted to post a video. I know it's probably not the best quality, but we're going to get it while the getting is good, get it while we kind of shouldn't, okay? So I'm going to go get the first food that we have. Give me a second. Two motherfuckers who carry my food wouldn't work. All right, so I'm back, y'all. Okay, so we got some Asian chef. I'm going to just tell y'all right now. I done had a few cocktails over there, then. But it's all good. I haven't posted in forever. So I think this is the sushi. Right here, I think this is the Long Beach roll. And then yeah, this gotta yeah, the Long Beach roll. I really forgot what we got on it. And then I have the baked salmon roll. Oh, that smells good. I don't know what I'm smelling, but it smells good. And then we have it's called the crunch roll, but it's like a shrimp tempura roll. Alright, so that's that on there. I got some eel sauce and extra ginger, of course. Okay. Then that's not from Asian Chef, but that's from like a poke place. Right here I got, this is from Asian Chef. They taped it up. Okay, I got 2 egg rolls. I got some shrimp fried rice. And I got some shit. I done spilled something. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. And okay, so I had shrimp fried rice. And then right here I have some, oh my gosh. I think this is the shrimp chow mein. Oh my goodness, do y'all see that? It's still steaming. We picked this up a while ago. I also got cream cheese wontons. About to take it back. Awesome. And condiments on the side. Sweet and sour sauce. Sriracha. Soy sauce. So give me a second to make me a plate with the chow mein. The chow mein smell peanutty. This might be a long video because I have lots of food. So shrimp chow mein. I'm putting some chow mein on the plate. So peanutty. It don't taste peanutty. It tastes really good. Okay, so I got that. And then I'm gonna get some of this rice. Oh, this is a lot.
Some sugar rice. Okay. We're so hot. We're still so hot.
Okay, so this is the baked salmon roll. I want to try all the rolls. I'm gonna show them to y'all as I try them. Have some eel sauce right here. And I have some soy sauce. Okay, so right here on the side, I have some wasabi. I'm gonna put some soy sauce with it. Okay. And I know how to use chopsticks, so I'm gonna use some chopsticks. I have chopsticks I could go get, but I don't feel like it. Anyway, let me mix this up. Try this. With some Jimmy. Put some of the sauce over here. Ooh. Hold up, hold up. This should never be this good. It's just falling apart on me. That was so good. I'm so real. How are y'all doing? What are y'all eating on? I got some sweet and sour sauce right here. Oh, shit. Y'all can't see me, but y'all can see the food a little more. Oh, shit. And here goes the egg roll. I'm gonna try it with some sweet and sour. Put some sriracha on here. Sweet and sour and eel sauce. Give y'all a bite. So good. Sorry, y'all. This is just like a last minute mukbang. Oh my god, I'm eating good. Why haven't I shared it? It's the eel sauce for me. Okay. Let me try the long beach roll. I'm gonna try to look up the ingredients. I don't know when I'm gonna post these videos. I'm sucking at posting right now. But so good. Let me try the baked tuna roll. You see the baked tuna? All right. Why is it sticky? The baked tuna roll is so good. Here we go with some eel sauce. I put some wasabi in. Some eel. So good, y'all. Eel and sweet and sour on this egg roll. Oh shit. Put some eel sauce on this rice. And chow mein. This egg roll though, some rice on it. I just want y'all to know that this was so good. I shared as much as I could, but I gotta go. I'm full. Please make sure that you're rolling with Reka. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, which lately has been really rare. But don't worry, I'm gonna come through. So bad. Peace. When I'm back. I don't know. Peace. Fire and desire, okay? should never, ever